The United States celebrates Thanksgiving on the fourth Thursday of November. For those looking to enjoy quintessential American Thanksgiving dishes in Kyiv, America House is hosting a special cooking lesson. Traditionally, the holiday is dedicated to the harvest and the preceding year. It's also a great opportunity to bring people together.
In the US, it actually didn't become a national holiday until Abraham Lincoln started it during the Civil War in an effort to unite a country torn by civil war. So to me, the holiday really represents coming together as a community, coming together with people that are close to you, and it's just a chance to share a meal together and to give thanks.
Dozens of people gathered to watch Americans prepare the second most famous dish after the turkey, of course, and that's pumpkin pie. Christine says that in order to make the perfect pie, all you need is love and obviously a pumpkin. Afterwards, she shared with us her own personal recipe.
For the pumpkin pie, you start with a good crust underneath, which is simple ingredients, and then you have the pumpkin custard filling. In the United States, many people will use pumpkin from a can to actually prepare the custard filling, but you can also actually take the raw pumpkin, and then prepare the pumpkin pie with that instead.
Hopefully next year I'll be able to make my very own delicious pumpkin pie. For UATV, this is Pierre Mareczko.